Darlings talks about a man, Hamza Sheikh, who was quite aggressive, and he was married to Alia Bhatt, and she bore the brunt from the beginning. She was quite considerate, quite patient, but it reached a level where she couldn't tolerate it anymore. She was expecting the child, and he just pushed her down the stairs, and the child in the womb died. That was the turning point, and her mom, Shefali Shah, she has been supportive because she was also the one who had killed her husband because of his physical abusive nature. The same thing had happened, history had repeated itself, and the daughter was also facing the same scenario. So the mother was just a neighbor, and then she just suggested her that now it's reached a level where water has gone above head, so now let's kill him. What they did, they actually took the body. They first he was given an injection by which he became unconscious, and then he was taken to the railway track. There the body was laid, and when the train was about to come and kill him and just pass over him, she changed her mind. She said that if I kill him, I'll be in guilt for the rest of my life. So I don't want to kill him. Let destiny take its stand, and we will rescue him. So they removed the body. And there's also Zulfikar, who is a man who is a young person, but he's fond of Alia Bhatt's mom, Shefali Shah. Everybody presumed that he is the one who is fond of Alia Bhatt. Even her husband used to suspect and used to get angry. So the body was removed, but he couldn't change his ways. He was a scorpion. Just a scorpion can never stop stinging. Same way, he did the same thing. He was in anger. He said that now also we can be together. Just forgive me whatever I have done, and we can be together again. She was reluctant. She said that now I'm giving you freedom, and let me also be free. And then she walks away, and then he is in anger again. He says that now I will not let you live in peace because you have rejected my proposal. And there they came a train, and the train passed over him, and he's dead. So the lesson, bottom line, destiny takes care of the sins which we commit.